Tungag is a village in Mawal Taluka in Pune district of Maharashtra state, India. It belongs to Desh or Paschim Maharashtra region. It belongs to Pune division. Tungag is an important village in Mawal Taluka of Pune district. Local language of Tungag village is Marathi. This village is just 13 kilometers from Mawal. The people of Tungag village are totally dependent on natural resources and tourism. Along with this, there is a historical fort from the time of Shivaji Maharaj at Tungag. Also, the village of Tungag is remote. Due to this, there are frequent power cuts in this village. There are frequent power shortages in this village, so solar street lights have been installed in this place through Club Mahindra Resort Tungag. While starting the said work, first after the implementation support organization Swayam Samajik Vikas Sanstha got permission from Club Mahindra Resort Tungag to install solar street lights in Tungag village. Representatives of the organization visited the village. After that, a meeting was held with the village Panchayat Sarpanch, the prominent people of the village. In this meeting, the location for installing solar street lights was discussed, as well as the proposed work to be completed within the stipulated time and responsibility. After that, the places of installation of solar street lights were directly inspected. After that, pits were removed by the workers at the planned places and poles and lights of solar street lights were installed at those places. The installation of solar street lights has had a good impact on the environment here. Renewable energy is being used as well as helping to reduce the carbon footprint, contributing to overall environmental sustainability. Promoting energy efficiency is helping to reduce the stress on the electrical grid by reducing dependence on conventional energy sources. Also, the long-term cost of electricity is being saved. The villagers are satisfied after installing solar street lights in the village through Club Mahindra Resort Tungag.
माझं नाव अजित अंकुश टोमरे. आमच्या इथे गावामध्ये लाईटीचा खूप मोठा प्रॉब्लेम होता. तर क्लब महिंद्राच्या माध्यमातून आमच्या गावामध्ये सध्या ठिकाण जागोजागी स्ट्रीट लाईट बसवण्याचे किंवा सोलर पॅनल बसवण्याचे काम चांगल्या पद्धतीने चालू आहेत. असेच आम्ही महिंद्राला आश्वासन हे करतो, निवेदन करतो की त्यांनी इथून पुढेही आम्हाला असेच खूप सारी मदत करावी.
धन्यवाद. आता इथं महिंद्रांनी चांगली आमची सोय केली. लाईट दिली, रोडला लाईट दिली, देवापाशी लाईट दिली, चांगली सोय केली. ओके.